ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So children, let us first of all make a triangle in which angle C is 90 degree. So let us make angle C as 90-degree angle, right? And then obviously we will join it to complete the triangle A, B, C. Okay. Now read carefully. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB. We are given M as midpoint of AB. We are given this, that M is midpoint. Okay. Now a line is drawn through this midpoint M parallel to BC. Parallel to BC. And it intersects AC at D. A line is drawn through M parallel to BC like this. Let me just change the name so that you are more comfortable that way. It will still remain AB. A line through M is drawn, which is parallel to BC. Are you with me till here, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And it is intersecting. It is intersecting AC at what point? D. We have to show D is midpoint of AC. Is D midpoint of AC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Why?
Yes, ma'am. Because M is also a midpoint.
Yes.
And
By
converse.
converse of midpoint, it is straight away midpoint of AC because M is given to be the midpoint. The line is parallel. By converse of midpoint theorem, this has to be the midpoint too. I'm just noting down, then I'll explain. So first part is done, children, very easily. Next, what they are asking is, us to show MD is perpendicular to AC. MD perpendicular AC. Now MD will be perpendicular to AC when this angle will be what?
Ma'am, 90
Corresponding angles.
90.
Yes. We know that these two lines are parallel. So when lines are parallel, these angles are known as
corresponding.
Corresponding.
Angle.
and yes, when lines are parallel, corresponding angles are
Equal.
equal. So if this is 90, this will also be
90.
90. Okay. So when this angle is 90, for sure we get MD perpendicular AC. So are we done with second part as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third part. Third part, we need to show CM. Children, we are talking of CM. And CM is not joined here. So do we need to join first of all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let me just join CM. I'm rubbing it off for a while. CM. And then next thing I'm talking of what?
MA.
M.
MA.
I'm just highlighting that also. I need to show that these two are equal. I need to show that these two are equal and also equal to half of AB. Children, M is the midpoint of AB.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the relation? Is MA already half of AB? Being
Yes,
midpoint.
ma'am, it is given. Yes, ma'am, it is given.
This is something we already have. We just need to prove that CM and MA are also equal. See better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now C with CM and MA. Can we have these two triangles?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
triangle has CM, the other has MA. Let us prove these two triangles to be congruent. Then by CPCT, CM will be equal to ME.
Yes.
Right? Let us see. Now, in these two triangles, what is D? We have proved D to be the
Right
Midpoint.
angle.
midpoint. We have proved D to be the
Midpoint.
midpoint of
Midpoint.
AC. So, will we get AD equal DC?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Also, we have proved the MD perpendicular AC. So, will these two angles be 90 degree each?
Linear pair.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what is the third condition?
Ma'am, MD equals to MD common.
Ma'am,
MD
MD
is
equal to common.
common. So, by side angle side, these two triangles are,
Congruent.
Congruent.
and when triangles are congruent, what is the conclusion? MA equal
MC.
CM.
CM by CPCT. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just writing the proof now. Please take it down with understanding. And whenever you are applying midpoint or a converse of midpoint, do mention the name of triangle. Okay? Let's see. In triangle, please draw the figure carefully. In triangle ACD, M is midpoint of AB and MD parallel BC. So therefore, by converse of midpoint theorem, therefore, by converse of midpoint theorem, D is midpoint of AC. Okay? So this was your part 1. Now let's take care of part 2. As MD is parallel to BC, therefore, angle D is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. We need to write reason. Corresponding angles. And this implies MD perpendicular AC. Is the board visible? Is it readable?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Common. Each 90. And then we have AD equals CD because D is midpoint of AC. Therefore, triangle MAD is congruent to triangle MCD by side angle side. Okay? And this gives me MA is equal to MC. Children, I'm just writing here as I'm short of space. Also, M is midpoint of AB. So this implies MA is equal to half of AB. Okay. So by 1 and 2, do we get the desired result, children? By 1 and 2, CM is equal to MA is equal half of AB. Hence, proof.